हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज अर्श गोयल। तो आई एम बैक अगेन विद येट अनदर अमेजिंग वीडियो। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कुछ अमेजिंग इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज की। सम ऑफ दीज इंटर्नशिप्स आर फॉर बैच ऑफ 2022, सम ऑफ देम कैन बी कंसिडर्ड फॉर बैच ऑफ 2023, बट नॉट ऑल. So if you want me to make a separate video where I'll discuss all the opportunities for the batch of 2023, only internships for 2 months, so do comment in the comment box for the batch of 2023. Definitely I'll come up with a video soon. So in this video, majorly the internships are for 6 months, so make sure that if your college is allowing 6 months internship, then only you're applying for these. So the first internship is by Amazon. They're looking forward to software development engineer 6 months intern campus. Don't confuse this campus with on campus. This campus is basically they are looking forward to campus batch that is just going to join them soon. So it is an off campus opportunity for sure, and referrals are eligible for the same. This opening is visible on Amazon's referral portal. So go ahead and pitch in for referrals for this particular opportunity, and definitely next month you are going to get the test links, and closer to December, all the interviews will be conducted and you will be getting into Amazon as a 6 months intern. So make sure this is an opportunity, this is the job ID, and go ahead and ping in for referrals to people who are working in Amazon. Next opportunity is by Himalaya. You all might have heard of Himalaya Wellness. They are looking forward to software engineer interns with 0 years of experience. They want somebody who is good at coding, programming, testing applications. So definitely if you are bachelor's in computer science or information science and or MCA, then also you can apply. So definitely go ahead for this as well. Next is an opportunity for site reliability engineer internship by Atlan. So it's also a 6 months internship. It's a great company. It's growing at a very fast pace, and it has got funding as well. So definitely it's a great chance working at this company as a site reliability engineer. I would recommend you to apply for this as well. Next opportunity is by Shipsy. Shipsy is hiring for software engineering full stack intern for 6 months. This is also an amazing internship opportunity. Like, I have my friends who have done internship at Shipsy last year. So definitely this can be an amazing opportunity. Go ahead and apply for this amazing opportunity. They have their locations in Gurgaon and Bangalore. Most possibly you will be getting Gurgaon location for this opportunity. Next, there's a 6 months internship opening with Get My Parking. Get My Parking is hiring for this particular 6 months internship, and it would be converted into a pre-placement offer. It's going to be a work from home internship, and they're looking forward to batch of 21 and 22. This is applicable through referrals only, so make sure you go and ping in people from Get My Parking and get that referral. Now there is a small message for you all from Relevel. As you people already are aware of Relevel, it's a platform by Unacademy through which you can get a job without even being from a very great college or without even having a very great resume. It's just your skills that will matter. They're currently having 3 particular domains, that is backend development, front-end development, and business development, through which you can get the test on, and once you score above 700, you have a chance to work with to interview with some of the amazing companies like Cred, 1mg, Meesho, Urban Company, and currently there's an opening by Yatra.com at Relevel. Go ahead and apply for Yatra's opening with CTC of 8 to 14 lakhs per annum in backend development. If you go and give that test, you can apply for this opportunity and you can interview at Yatra.com. So definitely go ahead and apply for this opportunity. Next, there's an opening by OK Credit. It is also a growing startup. So they're offering 6 months software engineering internship also, along with a PPO for 2022 pass out. So definitely you should go ahead and apply for the same. Also, there are some experienced roles, but for internship, basically you have to mail your resume to ishan@okcredit.in and you will be getting this particular internship. So definitely go ahead and apply for this also. Next, there's a 6 months internship opportunity at Flex Money for the batch of 2022. This is also a paid internship. Flex Money is also a great startup they've got funding also. So definitely they're going to give you a good stipend along with great exposure. So these are all the amazing internships for you people. I hope you people like this video. If you want the video for 2023 batch 2 months internship, so definitely go and comment in the comment section. I want more and more comments so we can come up with that video as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe this channel, share it with your friends, and do let me know what other kind of content you're looking forward to. Thank you so much. All the best. Good luck. Bye-bye.